Even though it was released at the beginning of the 21st century, the Nike Shox R4 has been popular for the past 8 months. Particularly among women, a number of unique and fresh color schemes have given the silhouette renewed prominence. Pale Ivory, Light Orewood Brown, Celestine Blue, and Sail is the soft color scheme that has emerged for the performance-oriented design ahead of summer. The ensemble uses off-white hues for the majority of the upper, while profile swooshes choose a stylish suede and embroidered look. Accents at the forefoot and rear, as well as the tooling underneath, are animated by light blue flair, while the logo's edges are elaborate and curled. Take pleasure in the official look of the women's Nike Shox R4 Pale Ivory. Pairs are expected to arrive on Nike.com at the beginning of autumn. Retail price is at $150 US.